Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access your Savvas, formerly Pearson, materials. So this is for social studies teachers after the most recent social studies adoption. So the way that we have set up your Savvas materials is that they are a Google single sign-on link, which means you're going to be using your Google account to sign in. And while we still have It's Learning as our learning management system, I have added that Google single sign-on link that you'll use to log in into the It's Learning library, so you can copy it into any and all of your courses that you need and access it from there. Your students and you as the teacher will all use this same link, so you don't have separate ones to add. Should work for you. All right, so the first thing I need to do is sign into It's Learning and click the library tab across the top. And then when the search field opens, I'm going to type in Savvas Social Studies. And it's going to search, and it should be this first thing that comes up. Either one of these is the one that you can use. I think I put it in here twice because I had to update some older links, and it was already in here from when Nick had set it up. So either one of these will work. They're the correct ones. And what you're going to do is select the resource that you want to add, either one. I can't delete a resource once it's been shared, so that's why there's two. And when I see this, this is the resource, tells me what it is. And what I'm going to click here is add to. And I'm going to do add to course. And then from here, I'm going to select which course I would like to add this to. So you'll see your active courses in this menu, and it's going to show any and all of your active courses. So I have a sample course where I put all of mine, but you're going to put this in your active courses for this school year. So I'm going to select that one. And I can even put it in a specific folder if I would like. So if you've already built out some folders, you can definitely do that. I'm not going to. If you don't select a folder, it will just add it at the bottom of the page. So then I'm going to click add. And then it gives me a little confirmation message and tells me it's been added. So I can click this alert to go to the course and see it. Otherwise, I can still get to it from the courses drop-down menu. So because I didn't select a folder, like I said, it has added this to the very bottom of the screen. And it's going to give me an error message when I click this because I have a different account in Savvas than what you do. But this is the link that both you and your students are going to use to access this. So I'm going to click this link. It's going to open a new window. It's going to give me an error message. Yeah, because I am set up differently than you. But when you click this link, it's going to prompt you to sign in with your BCSC Google account. If it doesn't, please enter a 360 and let us know and we can correct that. But that's the link that you're going to use to get set up. Now, the next key thing that you'll need to do, and I've linked a tutorial on how to do this, but you are going to sign in. Once you get signed in, you're going to see all your active courses there, but you're not quite done yet. The next thing you need to do is add your textbook or your materials to your course. For some reason, Savvas does not add those for you automatically, and I have no way of doing that en masse on my end of things. It's something that you have to do for your class, but it's really easy. You'll just go into your class, you'll click your specific class, and there's a little add products button, and that's where you're going to search through all of the different resources that we have here in BCSE and select your specific textbook. So you'll see your middle school social studies. If you're a middle school teacher, or if you're a high school teacher, you'll see your content, your classes there, and you can add it there. Please note that your students won't be able to access any materials until you add that product to your class, so make sure you do that. If you have any questions, let us know. If you have any difficulty accessing your account or you're getting error messages, please enter a 360. Thank you.